Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to take a look at the Lowe's Garden Center. It's the second week of July and we are going to see what looks good here. This late in the summer, it's sort of getting towards the end of gardening season at the hardware stores, so that's kind of sad, but we're going to look around and see what looks good, and we're going to look at the clearance section in the back too. So let's see what we can find. This is really pretty, this yarrow. Called Saucy Seduction. A must-have perennial. I don't know what that means exactly. But it's got that classic fern-like texture on the leaves and a really pretty pink color. And here's a bee balm called Balmy Pink. It's a really pretty color. Nice purple. And then next to it is this Coreopsis Tequila Sunrise. I really like the variegated leaves on that. I don't think I knew that Coreopsis came with a variegated leaf like that. I really like it. Here's another Coreopsis Zagreb that has a really fine leaf on it, which is also beautiful. There's a honeybee on that one. Very petite flowers. This is what I've been considering adding to my perennial bed, the graceful pink Gara. I don't know if these are on sale right now, but I really like the dark foliage and these pink leaves right here. This is a really pretty daylily. It's called Hungry Eyes. $17.98. Holy cow, look at these hibiscus. These have huge blooms on them. We've got Luna Rose and Luna Red. The red is definitely like a magenta pink. We're going to see some fall blooming colors here. This is a really pretty Coreopsis that's very fall colored. I wonder when these bloom exactly. I'll have to look that up. But it's a full sun perennial, $17.98, called Fall Sensation. So that says to me that it probably is going to bloom in the fall, or through the fall. I wanted to take a look at these arborvitae too. This is the emerald green, $57.98. This is a really big container, 15 high, 4 feet wide. It might be a little too big for my space, but that's a pretty good price for a tree that's probably 5 feet tall. All right, now we're inside the garden center. We're going to take a look at clearance area here. I'll try not to bump you around too much here. Oh, it's really thinning out. A lot of the roses are gone. Looks like they're working on moving some stuff around back here. This is one I've had my eye on. It's the Tiny Pearl Asiatic Lily. $9.98. So I think that makes it $7. These are real small. 12 by 16. Tall and wide. But these are really pretty. Let me take it down. You can see the flower here. Yeah, those are really pretty. All right, here's the pricing. So that lily would be $4. I might have to get that. But I do want to show you these white lilies, $20.98. So those would be half price. Those are really pretty. We have so many lilies here. I feel like that's the one thing that sucks about those is once the blooms are gone, you know, people aren't as eager to buy them, and so I think they end up on the clearance rack faster. We've got a whole rack of these yellow and orange lilies, some purple fountain grass up at the top there. These would be $4. I'm not really into the hot colors though, you know, the yellow and the orange. I'd rather have like a soft pink or a mellow pink, but these are still looking really good. Hopefully somebody comes by and needs a bunch of yellow and orange lilies. All right, and here's another one that is probably just on the clearance rack because it's not blooming. The plant looks okay. Some of the leaves are a little crispy, but that'll clean up pretty well. This is a Rudbeckia Goldstrom. Let's see, 24 high, 18 wide. So that's pretty manageable. I'll have to look that one up and see. It really kind of looks like an orangey yellow there, so really pretty. Here's a rose, Sunblaze Rose. Looks like an orange bloom. I don't know much about this brand. I really like their tags for some reason though, but this one looks in really good shape. Like it has buds on it. It could almost bloom. I bet you if you planted it, it would bloom pretty quickly. This is $20.98, so it'll be half off. And they have a bunch of maiden grass, which would be $4. I think this stuff gets really huge though. Yeah, 5 feet high, 6 feet wide. I have this one from Monrovia. It's the LA Summer or Last Summer Snow Lily. So $19.98, that'd be half off. Looks like a nice big white one. This is interesting. This is actually like 2 lilies in one container. That's Summer Snow and Tiny Rocket Asiatic. It'd be a good bargain. Not really my color scheme, but I do like it. Okay, so I'm deciding between these two. We've got the Lowe's house brand Tiny Pearl Lily for $9.98, so that'd be $4. And then we've got the Monrovia Tiny Diamond, $12.98, so that'd be $7. So I think I'm gonna go with this one because it is cheaper. That's actually 2 plants in there, so that'll be pretty nice. Very beautiful blooms. Okay, things are winding down here at Lowe's. I'm gonna purchase the $4 lily for my garden, and that's about it. A couple things, interesting things on the clearance rack, but nothing too crazy. Well, I want to thank you for coming along with me on my little stop in on my lunch break at Lowe's, and please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and I thank you for watching.